Hey, everyone! Tired of sweating through the summer heat? Say hello to the Midea Duo 12,000 BTU high-efficiency inverter air conditioner, your ultimate cooling companion. Get ready to discover unmatched comfort and convenience. Innovative duo hose design. Midea's industry-first dual hose and hose design enables the unit to intake and exhaust air outdoors. This design forms balanced air circulation indoors and prevents hot outside air from seeping in through gaps. Inverter technology. Engineered with the variable speed inverter technology, Midea Duo Inverter Portable, AC cools more with considerably less electricity than traditional portable units. It saves more than 40% energy, more than 2x faster and stronger cooling. Empowered by the Duo hose design and an optimized air duct system, it can lock and maximize cooling indoors. Now you can enjoy a 2x faster and stronger whole room cooling experience. Smart control. This unit comes Wi-Fi enabled with app connectivity and voice control options. Control from anywhere with the M SmartHome App for iOS and Android or by voice with Alexa and Google Assistant devices. 42 dB ultra quiet operation. The sound level of the Midea Duo is as low as 42 dB, almost as quiet as a library. Install in the bedroom or living room and enjoy sleep, a good book, or your favorite show without the disturbing noise of a traditional AC app. Experience the ultimate cooling comfort with smart inverter air conditioner. Stay cool, stay comfortable, and make every moment at home more enjoyable. Check out the link in the description to get your hands. If you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.